Want to make a movie? You need quality light fixtures, sound recording equipment, and a good motion picture camera. Thomas Alva Edison helped develop all three technologies. He was born in Milan, Ohio in US on February 11, 1847 and had amassed 1093 patents by the time of his death in 1931. We will know the important things about the inventor, manufacturer, and businessman. Thomas Edison is also known as Thomas Alva Edison. His father, Samuel Edison, mother, Nancy Matthews. He was the youngest among the 7 children. He went to school for a few months. There was a story for that. The story is told of Thomas Edison who came home from school with a note. My teacher gave this paper to me and told me to give to you, mother. His mother's eyes were tearful as she read the letter. Your son is genius. The school is too small for him and doesn't have good enough teachers to train him. Please teach him yourself. After many years, Edison's father died. Edison found the letter his mother read that day, and he was shocked. The paper was written, your son is mentally deficient. Thomas Edison cried for hours and wrote in his diary, Thomas Alva Edison was an adult child, that by a hero mother. When he was young, he developed a hearing problem. In fact, he used to claim that his deafness was an asset since it permitted him to concentrate his thoughts upon any desired object of study even among intensely noisy surroundings. He was constantly studying and experimenting. When he was 13, Thomas Edison started selling candies and newspaper on the Grand Trunk Railroad, which carried passengers to and from Detroit. Edison set up a chemistry lab in the baggage car, but he also built a printing press. When he was 16, he worked as a telegrapher full-time. As a telegrapher operator, Thomas became interested in communication, which would be the focus of many of his inventions. In October 1868, when Edison was 21 years old, he applied for his first American patent, a vote recorder. He created the world's first industrial research lab in Menlo Park, New Jersey. Carbon button transmitter. In 1877, still used in telephone speakers and microphones today. What are Thomas Edison's famous inventions? Thomas Edison has the patents and credits for many inventions. 3 of his most famous include the phonograph. This was the first major invention by Edison and made him famous. It was the first machine that was able to record and play back sound. The first electric light. Edison made the first practical electric light bulb that could be manufactured and used in the home. He also invented the other items that were needed to make the light bulb practically for use in homes, including safety fuses and on-off switches for light sockets. The motion picture. Edison did a lot work in creating the motion picture camera and helping move forward the progress of practical movies. Edison other inventions: electric motor, talking doll, storage battery, electrograph vote recorder, pneumatic stencil pen, the electric power meter, concrete house. 14 companies including General Electric. Mary Stilwell was Edison's first wife. She died in 1884. They had 3 children. He married Minna Miller in 1886 and had 3 more children. Edison's last words were, "It is very beautiful over there. I don't know where there is, but I believe it is somewhere, and I hope it is beautiful." Edison died on October 18, 1931, from complication of diabetes in his home, Glenmont in West Orange, New Jersey. He was 84 years old.